Hi guys, I was at that.
Oh, what do we got? What do we get today?
I don't want buttons.
We got mini machines,
They're trash.
some road rippers, construction trucks.
Spring juice.
Let me see, we got this one. And what color are they? They're yellow, right?
Back for
Got that
yellow.
one.
Back.
And we got this one right here. It looks cool. Next one we got this one. Black and yellow.
And
Construction trucks.
this one.
Yeah, uh-oh. And we got that one. And which one do you have in your hand? Let me see that one. And we got this one. Ooh, those are cool.
Standing right.
Yeah. Let me see. Let me see. Okay.
You wanna
Mini
open?
machines.
The open.
That's the back.
Okay,
Like
this.
this?
Okay.
Ooh, which one's your favorite? Which one do you like the most? Let me see. Like this. Like this. Uh-oh. And like this. They're all construction trucks. Cat, mini machine, monster trucks. Not monster trucks. Construction trucks. Yeah. You want to open them? Yes? You want to open them?
I got candy.
And you got candy. And where's the candy? Where's the candy? Ooh, what you got?
Eyes.
Chocolate. Ooh, they look like Halloween candy. Let's see Halloween candy. They are googly eyes. Chocolatey and smooth, crisp and crunchy candy. Whoa, Halloween is coming. Halloween's getting close. And the stores are already carrying a lot of Halloween stuff. You like those?
Yes.
Yes? You want to open the candies or you want to open your trucks?
I'm gonna open this.
Yeah, let's go with the trucks, okay? Let's open those trucks. Okay, here we go. Outside of the package, ready to be played with. We got that one. One. We got the dump truck. Two. We got the other truck. Three. And we got the other truck. Four. These are pretty cool. You like them? What color are they?
Yellow, black.
Yellow and black. Yeah, yellow and black.
It's so pretty.
Yeah.
There's one chocolate.
Oh, yeah.
One got some dirty. One dirty.
Which one do you like the most?
Dirty.
They're dirty. Yeah, they pick up dirt. They're construction.
It's pushing a journey.
Yeah, they pick up all the dirt. When they're making buildings or making houses, they pick up all the stuff.
It's down.
Oh, yeah.
It's bunny made a cars. It's bunny cars and they want to only come the cars and go.
Yeah. They look pretty cool. Oh, you got a cuppy?
Yes.
Let's see your cuppy.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Let me see the front.
Okay.
Let me see the front. Oh, it's Frankenstein. It's Halloween's coming and say Frankenstein. Okay, then you put your juice in there and it's good. I was thirsty. Yeah. Yeah. You gonna play with your trucks?
Yes.
Okay, say bye guys.